The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is shaping up to be a powerful flagship, especially appealing to photography enthusiasts. A standout feature is its 200MP periscope telephoto lens, offering a 4.3x optical zoom and 100mm equivalent focal length, designed to capture ultra-detailed images. This camera is paired with a second 50MP telephoto lens for versatile zooming capabilities, setting it apart in mobile photography. Under the hood, it's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which promises top-tier performance and efficient power management, ideal for heavy multitasking and gaming. Additionally, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to feature a 6,000 mAh battery with rapid 90W wired and 80W wireless charging, ensuring it can handle intensive use and recharge swiftly. Running on Xiaomi's new HyperOS based on Android 15, the device will deliver an optimized, user-friendly experience. Slated for an early 2025 release, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is set to be a flagship competitor with robust hardware and advanced imaging technology.